Is it time to buy or sell Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 14th of March, 2025, our system has ranked Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited as a hold or accumulate, giving it a score of 0. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has significantly exceeded our expectations, with a remarkable gain of 5,771.47% since we first recommended buying Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited 53 days ago. This translates to an average return of 108.90% per day since it was listed as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's next direction as it could go either way. The stock has broken through a notably wide and strong upward trend in the short term, with an even stronger rate of increase now indicated. Should there be any pullback, support will be found at the ceiling of the current trend, which was broken at $436.34. This level may present a second opportunity to capitalize on a rally. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 18,264.53% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 8,250.89% and 10,714.19%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 31,457.73%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 2,044.89% to 6,778.42% over the next year. In practical terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $15,893.23 and $50,967.71. Our latest daily update for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited includes the headline: Volatile ride for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited stock price on Thursday, moving between $524 and $831. The Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited stock price gained 42.5% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, rising from $520 to $740.98. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 58.62%, from a low of $524 to a high of $831. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days, and is up 116.04% over the past 2 weeks. The volume of shares traded has also increased on the last day, along with the rising price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 25,000 more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 50,000 shares being bought and sold for approximately $36,870,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $831, while the lowest price reached $3.03. Currently, the price stands 10.89%, or $90.52, below the 52-week high of $831, which is also the all-time high for the stock. RGC Resources Incorporated, a small natural gas utility serving Virginia, has recently reported its earnings for the second quarter, revealing a significant increase to $7,680,000, or 74 cents per share, compared to $6,440,000, or 63 cents per share in the same quarter last year. This growth can primarily be attributed to higher base rates implemented in July 2024 and increased volumes, despite facing challenges such as lower earnings from unconsolidated affiliates and rising interest expenses. Additionally, RGC has declared a quarterly dividend of 20.75 cents per share, marking its 325th consecutive dividend payment, scheduled for August 1, 2025. This reliable dividend may attract income-focused investors, enhancing the stock's appeal. In terms of market impact, these positive earnings and consistent dividend payments could boost investor confidence in RGC's stability and growth prospects. In the short term, this may lead to upward pressure on the stock price as more investors seek reliable income streams. Long-term, the ability to manage costs effectively while expanding operations could signal sustained growth to the market, reinforcing investor interest and potentially driving the stock higher. Analysts have assigned Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts rate the stock with a strong sell recommendation. The following signals have been identified for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited. The stock of Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal as the short-term average is above the long-term average. On downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $518.38 and $215.41. A breakdown below either of these thresholds will generate sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, and so far, the stock has risen by 3,049%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a strong technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 40 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 85 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 56 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 57 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe short moving average, buy signal from 24 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 55 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 53 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $560. With no support from the accumulated volume beneath today's level, the risk is heightened, as a drop below this support could result in a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $307.30 between its high and low, which represents a change of 58.62%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 23.09%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited, let us first examine some essential fundamental data. To start, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the K/E ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors outside their control. Nevertheless, persistent negative P/E ratios may point to inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and utilize volume indicators to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited encounters its first support level at $560. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 28th of February 2018 when Philip F. Anschutz performed an insider sale of 12,440,000 shares of Class A common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $714.75, which represents a decline of 3.54%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a heightened level of risk. Additionally, there has been a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 39 days ago. Is Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited stock a good buy? Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At this time, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning either to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation of this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 30th of May, we anticipate Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited will open lower by $42.09, starting the trading session at $698.89. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.